Hi, today in front of me Huawei Nova 10 SE and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere app on this device. So first let's open the app gallery. And here in the search bar we should enter Ampere or Ampere meter, and now we should get this first application. That's why to get, tap to get, tap to continue, click to download and wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. Now let's click to allow and tap to install. Now we can see that our application successfully installed. Let's click to open the app, tap yes I agree, pick close, tap twice to OK, and now we can see here information about our device battery. That's 27 degrees. Also we can see here more information like the battery level, health, capacity, voltage, model of our device, Android version, and more other info. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.